Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Tokyo-listed Bitcoin treasury company Metaplanet has drawn another $130 million in Bitcoin-backed credit, expanding its use of collateralized borrowing to accelerate BTC purchases, income generation strategies, and potential share buybacks. Oil prices fell over 1% after Ukraine hinted that an intense diplomatic push by the US administration to end Russia's war against it could be yielding fruit. An end to the war in Ukraine could pave the way for the unwinding of Western sanctions against Moscow's energy trade. Gold prices held steady as softer-than-expected US retail sales data reinforced traders' expectations that the Federal Reserve will trim interest rates in December.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.